Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Marcus Murray, and I'm here with my lovely wife,
Shira Murray.
And we're going to be sharing with you 5 unwise ways to spend your tax return. Peace.
It's that time of year yet again, tax season, and some of us are excited, waiting for a check to arrive in the mail any day. And some of us are maybe not so happy because we might have to pay a little bit of money. Well, as it turns out, 80% of Americans receive some sort of tax return, and the average amount that most Americans receive is around $2,700. If that's your return, you might be tempted to run out and spend it unwisely. So we wanted to do a countdown of 5 unwise ways to spend your tax return.
So number 5 on our countdown is unnecessary home improvements. You know, you get that itch to revamp the carpet or get new lighting or new draperies, when really what you have is working perfectly fine. You know, and as the saying goes, Shire, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Number 4, going on a shopping spree. Doing a Walmart haul, a mall haul, a Sephora haul, a Foot Locker haul, whatever your vice is. Before going out and spending too much, just ask yourself, is this the best use of my money?
So number 3 on our countdown is eating out and treating out. You know, hey, it's on me, y'all. Let's go to the restaurant. Hey, you guys want to go to Red Lobster? Oh, I got it. Don't even worry about it. You know how we do. When we get that tax return, we get that urge to just spend on food. A lot of times we choose to eat the seed instead of planting it. Be smart with that money.
So number 2 on our list is gambling, going to the casino, drinking and playing the slots. Don't do it this year. According to statistics, Americans lose over $119 billion a year at the casino. Granted, there's probably some high roller, big money mixed in with that statistic, but it doesn't have to be your money. So again, think, is this the best use of what I have?
So that brings us to number 1 on our countdown. And this is something that, you know, we all can relate to a little bit. And that's financing a big ticket item that you know you can't afford. So you know, if you buy a vehicle that you can't afford, you will be stuck with the payments long after tax season.
So if you're one of many Americans expecting a tax return this year, and say right now you're not so sure what to do with your return, we have 3 ideas for you to consider. Number 1 is you can save it. You can boost up your emergency savings or put money aside for something that's important to you. You can invest it, and it's always an important thing to be thinking about the future. And our last thing for you to consider is paying down or paying off your debt, and that's something that over the long term will really pay off for you. So we hope that you've enjoyed our countdown of 5 unwise ways to spend your tax return. And if you have some ideas that you'd like to share, please leave them in the comment section. We really want to hear from you.
Yo, so thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe below to get connected to everything we're dropping here on YouTube and on Facebook. So for Marcus Murray, this is my lovely wife,
Shira Murray.
and we are black,
Married and debt-free.